Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Kajabi Scheduler to your coaching program. This integration streamlines your workflow by allowing clients to book sessions directly through your coaching program, making scheduling seamless and professional. First, open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. This is where you'll access your Kajabi dashboard and all your coaching tools. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button and click it. Enter your credentials to sign into your account. If you're new to Kajabi and don't have an account yet, simply click on Get Started to create one. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation panel. This is where all your main features live. Click on Products and an expanded window will appear showing you various options. From this list, select Coaching. This takes you to your coaching dashboard where you can manage all your coaching-related activities. On your coaching dashboard, you'll see an overview of your programs and offerings. Look for the Programs section and click on it. Here you'll see a list of all the coaching programs you've created. Find and select the specific coaching program where you want to integrate your Kajabi scheduler. This is important because you might have multiple programs and you'll want to make sure you're adding the scheduler to the right one. Once you've selected your program, navigate to the top menu and click on Settings. This opens up all the configuration options for your coaching program. Scroll down through the settings until you locate the section labeled Scheduling. This is the key area where you'll make the connection. Under Scheduling Preference, you'll notice a drop-down arrow. Click on it to reveal the available scheduling options. From the drop-down menu, select Kajabi Scheduling. This tells the system to use Kajabi's built-in scheduler for this particular coaching program. After making your selection, be sure to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your Kajabi scheduler is now connected to your coaching program, allowing your clients to book sessions directly without any back-and-forth communication. This setup not only saves you time, but also provides a smoother experience for your clients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.